So today we're putting two color e-ink tablets head to head, the Kindle Scribe Colorsoft 2025 and the Onyx Boox Note Air 4C. With the Colorsoft launching soon in the US and rolling out elsewhere next year, it's the perfect time to see how it compares to Boox's already well-known Note Air 4C. Based on what we know so far, this should help you figure out which one's better suited for your workflow. Let's dive in. Alright, let's start with what you actually see first, the display. Both these devices use color e-ink panels, but how they implement that color layer is where things start to diverge. Amazon, for instance, went all in with its new Scribe Colorsoft display system. They didn't just slap a color filter on top, they redesigned the whole stack, the glass, the e-ink layer, even the lighting system underneath. They now use smaller nitride LEDs and a custom light guide to get more even illumination. That means colors look cleaner, whites are brighter, and shadows stay consistent no matter the angle. Not just that, the tiny gap between the pen tip and the actual ink beneath the glass is basically gone. So when you write or sketch, it feels almost like you're touching real paper. It's an 11-inch display, but it somehow manages to balance that size without feeling bulky. Now, Boox takes a slightly different approach. It uses e-ink's Kaleido 3 panel, the same core tech we've seen in other color e-readers, but Onyx adds its own optimizations to the lighting and display stack. This is a slightly smaller 10.3-inch canvas that's easier to carry around. It's still crisp, still colorful, but its focus leans more toward responsiveness and flexibility than perfecting the writing feel. If you're wondering about realism though, the Boox feels a touch less paper-like than the Kindle, but when it comes to how smooth the lines appear and how little lag there is, the Note Air 4C really keeps up. Now, this is where things get spicy. Amazon's ecosystem is a bit like Apple's. Super polished but tightly locked down. Everything revolves around Kindle Books, Amazon Cloud, and its note system. If your life is filled with reading, annotating, and simple note-taking, it's a dream setup. The interface is clean, there's zero clutter, and everything syncs effortlessly with your Kindle library and cloud notebooks. But here's where the Colorsoft edition goes a step further. Amazon's added some really clever AI features like stuff like searching across your handwritten notes, summarizing chapters, and refining messy handwriting into clean digital text. You even get tools like Story So Far and Ask This Book, which let you query the book itself, kind of like chatting with the text. It's honestly wild, it's like having an AI study partner inside your e-reader. The Boox Note Air 4C, though, plays a completely different game. It's not locked down. In fact, it's basically a tablet that just happens to use e-ink. It runs Android 13, meaning you can download almost any app you want. Kindle, Notion, Evernote, and even YouTube. It plays videos in color, but it's a choppy, smeary experience like watching a low-budget stop-motion cartoon. Highly flexible, but definitely optimized for reading, not streaming. That flexibility is massive for people who want to customize their workflow. Of course, more freedom comes with a bit of chaos. Because you're running full Android, some apps don't play nicely with e-ink refresh rates and performance can vary. But for power users, writers, researchers, students juggling multiple tools, the Air 4C's versatility is hard to beat. And its note-taking suite, way more advanced. You've got an infinite canvas, multiple layers, tons of brushes and pen styles, and even the ability to insert images, links, or PDFs inside your notes. There's also something called Smart Scribe, an AI-powered tool that can straighten lines, clean handwriting, and basically make your messy notes look boardroom ready. It even allows linking between notes and documents for easy reference. In comparison, the Scribe's notebooks are simpler, perfect for quick thoughts, book annotations, and lightweight journaling, but not meant for deep creative or academic projects. Let's talk horsepower. Onyx is one of those brands that loves giving you full spec sheets. The Note Air 4C has an octa-core processor, 6 gigs of RAM, and 64 gigs of storage, plus a micro SD slot if you want to expand it. It even has speakers, so you can play audiobooks or ambient music while working. Amazon, on the other hand, doesn't really brag about specs. It's all about optimization. Even with less RAM on paper, the Colorsoft feels snappy for what it's designed to do: reading, annotating, and handwriting. Because the software is so controlled, it rarely lags even with big books or PDFs. That said, If you're someone who constantly switches between apps, opens multiple tabs, or works on large files, the Boox has a clear advantage. But if your focus is mostly reading and note-taking without distractions, the Scribe's streamlined system feels smoother. The Kindle Scribe Colorsoft ships with Amazon's EMR Stylus. No batteries, no charging, and latency that's reportedly under 12 milliseconds. The big deal here is the display stack I mentioned earlier. Since they reduce the air gap, writing feels instant. The glass has a light texture too, so it adds that subtle resistance that mimics paper. You can even feel the difference when shading or adjusting line pressure. It's super precise. They've also improved the magnetic mount this time, so the stylus actually stays put when you attach it to the side. Small detail, but honestly a huge quality of life improvement if you've ever lost a stylus in your bag. Boox's Pen Plus stylus is also excellent. It's based on Wakeham's tried and true EMR tech, offering 4,096 pressure levels for accurate line variation. It's lightweight, doesn't need charging, and feels comfortable for long sessions, but it lacks one thing. A built-in eraser. You'll need to tap the screen or use an icon to erase, which might bug some users who are used to flipping the pen around. As for the feel, Boox's surface is good. It mimics paper nicely, but it's slightly smoother and can feel a bit glassy after long writing sessions. The Scribe's matte finish feels more controlled, less slippery. So, after all that, what do you actually pay for all this tech? The Kindle Scribe Colorsoft starts at around $630 for the 32 gigs version, and that's just the base. You're paying for Amazon's ecosystem polish, the AI features, and that premium color display. The Onyx Boox Note Air 4C starts at about $500, and even if you go for the premium stylus bundle, it's still cheaper at around $550. You get more RAM, expandable storage, and Android flexibility at a lower cost. So yeah, in terms of raw value, Boox gives you more power for your money. But if you're deep into Amazon's ecosystem, like reading tons of Kindle books, making highlights, and syncing across devices, the Scribe's experience is hard to match. If you want an e-ink device that just works, clean, stable, beautifully tuned for reading and light note-taking, the Kindle Scribe Colorsoft makes a lot of sense. Especially now with AI tools baked in, it feels like the future of reading. But if you're the kind of person who wants full control, installing your own apps, running multiple workflows, or sketching like a pro, the Onyx Boox Note Air 4C is still the more versatile choice. Both are solid, both have color e-ink that's miles ahead of older generations, but they're built for different kinds of people. Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Peace.